Oh my gosh, I was getting ready to record this and look what I found. Oh my gosh, I totally just found one in the wild. Oh my gosh, what is my luck? Hello everyone, welcome to or welcome back to my channel. My name is Pugcrusate and today, I think you guys all know why we're here if you looked at the thumbnail. We are here to check out the Dutch Warmbloods mainly, and then also we have the Blizzard, what is it called? Redesign, the Blizzard Island redesign, along with a couple other things that they added in this update that we will also be checking out, which is pretty exciting. I'm so excited for this, I'm not even gonna lie. Okay, so if you guys saw that clip, I probably inserted it at the beginning because that was pretty funny, but I found a Dutch Warmblood. Oh my gosh, the sun, what? I found it right over here. So we can go ahead and take a look at that, actually. There it is, right here. Let's take a look-see just at this real quick. 17 hands. I don't know what the max is yet. I will find out. And it is a seal brown, so let's come over here and take a look. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. I was worried. I saw like somebody's thumbnail. Somebody, I think it was Lemon. She got the videos out so quick. I don't know how she does it, but I saw her thumbnail and I got so worried because I thought they had the Mustang face because it looked kind of like they had like that really rigid face, but they don't, and I'm so happy because I was really worried. I think Trick did an awesome job, or the developers, I don't know if Trick's doing it, but they really did get the very good model for the Dutch Warmblood. Like, it looks like a Dutch Warm, especially from this angle. Hold on. That looks so good, and the texture on it is awesome too. Look at him, he's so cute. And the main's adorable too. I want to go, this video is a mess, oh my gosh. I want to go check out the mane and tail styles real quick, because I am very curious. Let us have a little look-see. How do I do this? Oh. This is neat. I don't know if I missed this update. How long has this been here? I have no idea. Ooh, that looks snazzy. That looks very snazzy. Hold on, rotate. Rotate the horse. Oh, front view. Front view looks how I expected it to. A little bit alien-like, but it's okay. It looks cute. Kinda. Short, neat. Oh, that looks really cute too. That kind of looks like a style like a yearling might have, because it's just like, it makes it look very young. That's really cute. Western style almost, I feel like. And that's cute too. Let's take a look at this. Oh, the long has a lot of, I like that. I like the texture. And I don't think anything else is like super, the long wavy is cute, but I just like the normal. I honestly like the normal long. So there are apparently 6 wild coats you can get, and of course we can crossbreed, which is super exciting. And I think we are actually going to do some breeding with this guy in this video, so make sure to stay tuned for a little while if you want to see that, because I have some amazing crosscode ideas for this. So real quick, I did want to have a little look at the update log. We have a new breed, 6 coats available in the wild. Chestnut Tobiano I'm really excited to see because, as you guys don't know, I really like chestnut Tobianos and chestnuts in general. So we will see about that. Dutch Warmbloods are a similar rarity to the Ekaltikis, which is nice, so they're uncommon or rare. Blizzard Island has received a total redesign, which is exciting, themed around a massive glacier. You can build igloos. Oh, that was a straight. Oh, what? Oh, lighting glitch. It's all good. I thought I might have. I was gonna no clip, I don't know. Alright, that was weird. Anywho, travel trailers have been added. Use them to fast travel around your current island for a small fee, but you have to unlock the destination before you can use it. And I don't know whether those are. Oh, is that it up there? I don't think this was up here before. So they've added these as a fast travel around the island. This is it. I think this could be really nice. Let's see, unlock. You've unlocked Outskirts Travel Trailer. Oh, from other travel trailer locations whenever you'd like. So I'm guessing, yeah, we have to go. Oh, you know what? I like this. You kind of have to like discover them as you run. So there's another one over here by Toby. Oh my gosh, I think that's the, is this the Dapple Gray? Oh my gosh, it's so cute. Oh, I don't like, I'll be honest, I will be honest, I don't like this dapple gray as much as I like the light dapple gray we got with the, oh gosh, what was it, Mawaris. I like that a ton. It's probably one of my favorite natural coats in the game. But this still has some really nice shading on it. Very nice, very nice. And here's the other travel trailer, so let's grab this. Hello? Hola. I would like... Can I, use? I guess not. Okay, I don't know if that's a bug or do I have to do something? I don't know. It's all good. So, I want to leave breeding till I think the last thing we do because I am most excited about that and I want to leave it for last for you guys too, so I have to build up anticipation, obviously. So let's go check out the Blizzard redesign real quick because I am really curious. I'm kind of excited about this as well. About the glacier theme. I haven't seen any spoilers. I avoided pretty much everything, except the fact I saw Lemon's one thumbnail on accident. Ooh. Okay. Okay, I like it. Let's see, can I click on this? Oh, okay, unlock. Okay. Oh, it says I can travel. Can I travel to... Oh, okay, I see. Okay, continuing. This is pretty. They changed the beginning layout a little bit, which is interesting, but can you still like get up here? It'd be fun if they added like that, what is it, the slides that we get during the winter event. It'd be fun to have those all year round. Oh, those are neat. What are those? Icicles. Icicles. This is gonna take me a while to explore, I feel like. Probably won't do it all in this video. How is this not frozen solid? I guess we don't ask questions. It's okay. I wonder, can I, these are very neat. I really like this. They did very nice. Oh! Okay, well, I guess it's good my reaction time was quick on that. What's that? It's a fjord. I thought it might have been another Dutch warm blood or something. Okay, let's run over here, because I don't have forever to run around those caverns, as fun as I would probably have doing that. Oh, here's one of the igloo building areas. So that's cool. I think it said you get money for doing that. I was half reading it. I'm sorry, I'm tired. I was only half reading the actual update log. It's okay. It's alright. Okay, that was very fun. Allow us to now go back to mainland, because I do want to see a couple other things real quick. Oh, I was right. They did update it again. This is the liver chestnut? Yes. Oh, it's cute and it has little dapples. That's cute too. I actually do really like this one as well. Liver chestnuts aren't like my favorite. I do think they can be cute. They look like little chocolate bars, kinda. Kinda like a caramello raw chicken. This is just chocolate. But, very cute. Okay. I think it's time to do some breeding now that we have seen the Blizzard and the fast travel system they have implemented. I want to do some breeding with the new ones. Oh, is that a Dutch warm blood baby? It is. So cute. Okay. Oh, I should go to Breeding Island. I'm slow. Alright. Let's do it the correct way and actually go to the island that gives us a discount for breeding there. And is literally named Breeding Island. Oh, I'm gonna have to bond with my horse. I'm gonna have to bond with this horse, aren't I? Okay, that's fine. I accept bonding with you, horse. You're welcome. Eat this. Mysterious candy that is most definitely bad for you. Anywho, begin breeding. I'm so excited, guys. I'm so excited. Maybe we'll get lucky first time. I rarely doubt it, but I'm kinda hoping. What coat? I want steel gray. Let's do it. Fjord? Yes. I would really love it if we got a steel gray Dutch warm blood. I would really like that, but we didn't, and I can tell because the chat didn't appear. We got a seal brown, so it is a literal exact copy of her mother, which is perfectly fine because I have 5 breeding vouchers ready to go. So let's go ahead and do these. Let's go ahead and do Cake Pop because poor Cake Pop has been stripped of his tack anyway, but I love his coat, so I don't have to worry about that. Very nice. Oh, I can't tell through chat this time. I was like, no, I didn't get it. I can't tell. Oh, a black Dutch warm blood. That'll be interesting to see, because we haven't seen that coat yet. I love the little snip. The little, like, blazing snip. That's cute. I don't know what it's called. Like, I know it's not called blazing snip, but it is cute. Should we do lemons? Should we do the boy? I think we should do the boy. Oh my gosh, we're not getting lucky at all. Finding that Dutch warm blood was all the luck I had for today. That is all they were giving me. I am getting a lot of Dutch warm bloods, just not the coat I want. Let's try... These guys have the same ones, but we'll just do an Arab this time. Oh, no, it's... Sweetie has new hair dyes. Oh, pearl mane. Oh, it's an Arabian too, so it has the Dutch warm blood coat with pearl mane on an Arabian. This will be an interesting baby. I'll probably grow that one up as well. Can we do... Hold on, let me grow up one of the male Dutch warm blood babies so we can do a light dapple gray. Here he is. He might be sleepy, but he will work. Oh, and this is the black one. Oh, cute! It's like a very matte black. I like it. I like this one as well. Okay, breed. Let's do, yes, this one. Oh, this is the one for the giveaway. Hold on. Do I have a... Mine. I will use her. I named her Mine because I was very worried about getting her concerned with the... Not concerned. I was very concerned with getting her mixed up with the giveaway Fjord, which if you guys haven't seen the giveaway I'm putting on right now, you guys should totally go check it out. It's going to be very cool. Alright, let's see. No! No, why? Please. I want one win. I beg. I want one win. Okay, what coat do I want? Let's do maple donut and the male again. Please, cross your fingers and your toes. I really want this. No. No, we didn't get it. Oh my gosh, why are we getting the most random stuff? Okay, it's not over yet because I can sell some stuff and then grow up all these babies and we can totally try like quite a few more times. But still, 5 foaling vouchers and nothing. Wow, okay. Okay, Wild Horse Islands. Okay, so I'm going to go into debt. And by debt, I mean I'm going to go under my 50,000 like budget range, but it's okay because I'm just gonna grind after this anyway. Alright, I am definitely going to go under my budget range, and by that I mean my under 50,000, but I'm gonna grind after, this anyway, so it doesn't really matter. It's good. I gotta stop saying that. Okay, you look exactly like your mom, except you have a black mane, another Dutch warm blood, and I'll make a little bit of money back after this as well, because I am going to sell these guys, well, some of them, after I finish with them having children. Oh, that was a thoroughbred I just wasted. You know what? It's actually kind of cute. Okay, I didn't waste it. I'm locking that when I want it. And let's see this Arabian while we're at it, because I think this could be cute. Oh, spicy. I like her. Back to the regular scheduled program. Let's do this. Let's do Lavender Haze. Yes. This will be good, please. What are the odds? Like, I know I'm looking at the odds when I breed them, but like, what are the actual, like, what's going on here? Something's fishy. I am not getting, am I doing something wrong? I feel like I'm doing something wrong. Why am I not getting the code? Why? Applesauce, please. You've been like such a good horse. No. Is something going on? Like, I'm starting to wonder, is something going on that I don't know about? Is there a glitch? Have I found a glitch in the Matrix? Last try. Should we do it with butter chicken again? No, do it with lemon. Okay. Lemon, you are a fantastic horse. Please. Why did I? No. Okay. Okay. Another Black Dutch Warmblood. I don't know if there's a glitch. I don't know what's wrong with this. Do I have an extra? No, I don't. I used all of them. Do I want to try some more? Am I that psychotic? Yes, I will try more. I have wasted so much money. I guess that's not wasting. If I get the code I want, I won't consider it wasting. I did not get the code Okay, there must be a glitch. Oh, it's so tiny. Is it mini? I wonder if it's a mini because Harley was a mini. Oh, it's cute. At least it's a fjord. At least it's a fjord. That's all I can say anymore. I don't know what's going on. Let's see. I don't know why I can't get a crosscoat. Why? Why? Okay. I'm psychotic. I will get a crosscoat. I just will. So I'm gonna go sell some stuff, and I will record every single time I breed until I get a crosscoat, unless I run out of horses, which would be extremely upsetting, almost. Disappointing. These guys are all useless to me now. I think this is the only girl I can use anymore. Like the only Dutch. Yeah, okay. A little bit worried. Let's do... Why are we moving? Excuse you. Do not go in there. What do we want to do? Who's gonna give me the best luck? A moldy green bean? Let's do market. Market's cute. Please market. Market, I beg. Market has failed me. I didn't think about the fact I could run out of Dutch Warmbloods. And I have none more. No more. I have none more. So we're in a little bit of trouble there. We did not get any crosscoats. I am in shock a little bit. I think there might be a glitch in the matrix, which is why I was not able to, because I've spent 20,000 things, because I did a lot of breeding that you guys did not see because I sold most of them. But I just did a ton of breeding, and I used full vouchers, and I feel like it should be like guaranteed to get what you want, at least like 1 out of the 5. That, oh my gosh, I can't. I'm a little disappointed. I'm a little sad. I know it's like probably not the game random chance. I'm guaranteeing it's a glitch. If it's not, then I would like to have a discussion. No, it's fine. Alrighty everybody, that is going to be it for this video. I figured we'd end out on the first Dutch Warmblood we got since we didn't get any crosscoats. But I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys enjoyed the little bit of the more unhinged, unedited version that I was kind of going for, mainly because I'm tired and I didn't feel like going for a super structured video. But anyway, make sure to drop a like and a comment if you guys did enjoy. Let me know what's your favorite Dutch Warmblood coat, if you guys got a cross coat and I am just crazy unlucky. That being said, I really hope you guys have a awesome day or night, and thanks again. Bye! I am so determined. I am going to get... Ellie! Can you not? I'm filming. Come on. Come... Ellie! Ellie!